Yeah, welcome to today's class. We want to deal with a very interesting topic in the use of English in the class of verb. We see tenses or tense. We're looking at the action and time. This is not a regular manner or way of using tense in this case because it is based on condition. Now, when we say conditional tenses, we are saying action with condition. And what is the notion of condition there? We always have it, probably we have it as if, or would have, or could have, is the condition. So this conditional tense, or tenses, it has major three meanings. Like the action is likely to happen, or the action is unlikely to happen, or the action is impossible or possible to happen in future. So if it's going to be possible, we're going to let you know that when I start explaining that. But in likely condition that the action is likely to happen in future, how does it look like? In those of us writing exams, either the examiner omits one side for you. We have two sides here, two clauses here. One side of the clause is either it contains the conditional tense, or we can say conditional clause, where we have the part we have the condition. That's the part we will say if clause. The other part we will say main clause. For example, now, if I travel, if I travel to Abuja or to London, if I travel to London, let's say if I travel, that is the if clause there. This is the part where this is the if clause. It does not really make sense enough because it's not the complete sense. Now, I want to complete it now by adding the main clause there. So if I travel to London, where is the verb we have using here? We have used this is the formula if plus present verb plus present verb. So each part of the sentence here we must have present verb here, which is this one. And once we have present verb here, that means we need to have present verb in this side as well. So if I travel to London, I will see. This is I'll see the queen. I'll see you. Let me just make it short. I'll see you. Right? Where is the verb there? To command that. That's the verb. This is the verb there. The present verb here and the present verb here. I will see the queen. That's in future case here. I will see the queen. Now, in your exam, you see that one side is omitted. Which side? Is it that this side is omitted? If I dash, I will see the queen. That means in the options you are looking for what? A present verb. Travel. If she dash, she will or they will beat her. There's like if she does it, or if she travels, they will, or I will see you, I will see her. Major important thing about this case there of verb is that likely condition to mean that the action is is likely to happen. And under interpretation too, you can see the question like this under interpretation where there will not be omission. You need to interpret what does it mean. What is conveys that it's likely I travel to London or I travel to wherever I want to go and I will see you. There is certainty there that is likely that I will see you. All right. Let me give another example here. Another example to that. Example 2. Let's see another example. Okay. Okay. She is here. Okay. Let's say will she will she will she will go. She will go. If I if I dash her money for transport, that is still fair, transport fare for transport. Okay. Now, is it give here or gave or given? Notes this side. What we have there? We have will. Therefore, in this side now we need a present verb because it's telling us that it's a likely condition, and the formula for likely condition is what? If plus present verb plus present verb. This side, the verb is there, present there is there. Then we're gonna have there. We're gonna have there. We're gonna have if I give her, sorry, if I give her money for transportation. All right. If I give her money, she will go. Now, let's go to number 2. Another meaning of this conditional tense, whenever we have a tense like this, what it means. This one is not likely. There's uncertainty that the action is going to happen in the future because of the condition there. And in the condition here, if plus past verb plus past verb. If plus past verb plus past verb. In this case here, at the same time, this side now will change to past. Here too must be past verb as well. Let's convert this one to action that is not likely to happen. Yeah, that is not likely to happen. Let's go. Which is unlikely? We say, let's convert it now. How do you do it now? If I, this one will change what? If I traveled. Can you see that? If I traveled, let's see the verb there. Okay, what will change? This one will change to what? Would. I will see you. Yeah, I will see you. Meaning, what does it mean? Yeah? What does it mean? If I traveled, I will see you. Meaning, it's not likely. Don't expect me to travel. It's not certain that I'm going to travel. So, and it's not, you won't see me. It's not a promise here. It's not certain. It's unlikely. Can you see the context of that statement here? It's different from this one here. It's an unlikely condition. All right. Let's convert this to example 2. What will happen to this one? She would go. Thank you. She would go if I, what up? If I gave her money. If I gave her money. Now, the past there would, and the past here would to gave. So in your exam, take notes. Is it that this side is omitted? You need to fill it. Consider the other part of the sentence there. What is inside? Is it verb, present verb, or past verb? So that's what we're going to use to justify this one. All right. Now this one is not likely. I will not go, and I will not give her money. No. She will not go, and she won't have money from me. Okay. Impossible condition. This is somehow technical about it. Impossible there. If plus past perfect. What is the past perfect there? We are talking about past perfect there. Past perfect verb plus would have plus participle. In this case, now let's convert this example we have been using so that to make it easier for you. All right. Let's see this way. Let's see this way. If, so this one will be like if I had, can you see where is it? If I had past perfect, where is the perfect there? If I had, this is the past perfect. If I had, this is the past. This is the perfect there. The past perfect of what? Have or has. You get? But in this case, it's the past perfect of have. If I had, now, if plus past perfect, if plus past verb plus past perfect. Oh, it's going to be if plus past verb. If I had traveled. If plus past verb, yeah, past verb plus, it's going to be plus. If plus past verb plus perfect. We say plus past perfect. Are you there? Plus would have. That's the correct formula to that. Please take note of that. If plus past verb plus past perfect. Please take note of that. Plus past perfect plus would have plus participle. Let's see how it goes there now. So if I had traveled, where is the past there? Where is the past there? This is the past. This is the past verb. Where is the participle? Which is the perfect there? The perfect of this one now is this. All right. Which is perfect. Yeah. Let's make it short. Perfect. This is the perfect verb there. If I had traveled. Okay. Now, if I had traveled, now changing this. I would. Right. We're gonna have this now. Would have. I would have. Not gonna do it to this side. It's going to be participle. Participle of see is what? Seen. So okay. I would have seen you. Thank you. I would have seen you. Let me ask you this question. Did I travel? No. Did I see you? No. So it does not happen. So it is impossible. If I had traveled to Abuja, to London, to Chichester, to Chelsea, to Liverpool, to IB Ibadan, I would have seen you. I did not travel and I did not see you. So it didn't happen. Impossible. Now, what is it here? If we want to make this to be possible, I can add negative notion to it, which is going to be not. I will add it to this side. Or I'll add it to this side. That the action happened, that the action is possible. So, okay, I'm thinking, let's do this example too. But let's convert this one before I go to give you a negative on negative. It's going to give us positive meaning. These are negative statements. This is negative, because it didn't happen. It's impossible. If I had not there, in your mathematics, negative plus negative or times negative. How do you do it? It's going to give you positive, right? So if I had not here, it's going to give us positive that the action happened. But before that, let's go ahead to this one. Let's cover this one now. If she had, please, that's the past perfect there. If she had, what happened? This girl, the perfect of girl is going to be what? It's going to be gone. If she had gone, if she had gone home, gone to school, gone to work, gone to church, mask. If she had gone, if she had gone, if she had gone, I would have, the verb there, the participle of give is what? Given. I would have given her money. I would have given her money. I would have given her transport fare. If she had gone, she did not go, and I didn't give her money. That is impossible. Let's now make it possible. So I would have said conditional tenses are in 3 or are in 4 categories, but it's not necessary we emphasize that number 4. This one, we can derive it from here, make the other side. Let's go. If I had to make it negative now that the action happened, these are negative, well, we add negative not, not, to it to make it positive. Now let's go. If I had not, can you see? If I had not traveled, you get? If I had not traveled, what happened to this side? It means it happens. I have traveled. I traveled. Do you get that now? Can you see the work of not and not here? Negative plus negative or times negative, it gives you positive meaning there. So that means this action here is positive. It's possible. Please take note of that. Now, I would have, I would not have. Can you say? I wouldn't have, or I would say I would not have. If I put not here too, it's gonna be that is I saw her or I have seen her. Do you get that? Same thing here too. If you put not there, it's gonna make it positive, possible. That the action is possible. So in your exam, consider this side. Consider this side. So if one side is given to you, you need to understand that. You need to feel the understand. But if you can, learn the formula, the formulas offhand. If plus present verb plus present verb, So if one side is omitted, you're looking for the other side. Present verb. If plus past verb plus past verb. If plus past verb plus past perfect plus would have plus participle gives you impossible. Another side, am I doing your exam too? They might test you where you're going to put not there. Is it I would have not, or I wouldn't have, or I would have not? Where your not is going to be after the would. Please take note of that. Here, not after have. Do have a nice time. Learn it and study it well. Make use of it. Treat past questions. Treat questions on that. If you are a lover of use of English, make use of this important class in your important class daily in your language. Yeah. Do have a nice time. Thank you.